Hi guys, this is Prem Dev from Techie Geek, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing and a quick overview of boAt 100 headset. It is the cheapest and it is the entry level headset from boAt. It comes with a price tag of $399. I bought it from flipkart.com. So without any further delay, let's get started. The packaging looks very minimal. It comes with extra earbuds. This is the packaging. It doesn't come with a carry bag, but for this price I think it is okay. This is a headset, and this comes with the internal mic, which is a good thing. This is a warranty card and booklet. So that's all. So the main attraction about this headset is that the design of the headset is inspired from the hawk, which is a good thing. It looks very funky. I will test this and I will share my opinion. So this is the headphone jack. It's gold plated. So this was a quick unboxing and overview of boAt 100 headset. Thank you for watching. This is Prem Dev signing off.